Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're going to have a walk around one of our Kia Sedona vans here, just recently traded in. It's a 2017 with just under 19,000 kilometers. These Sedona vans by Kia are amazing. Nice bright lighting, not basic lighting functions. Alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control. Because the headlights are so bright, signals in your mirrors as well. Nice tinted back windows. You can see that they are power sliders on this side for your children or your pets. Kia Sedona's really nice vehicle, lots of room. They've made them larger than previous years. You've got the roof bars, you've got the Sirius satellite radio, again the nice tint with a backup camera like you would wish, including the sensors in the rear bumper cover that will let you know, sometimes annoy you, but tell you that you're getting close to something and you shouldn't be there. The seats in the rear of the Kia Sedonas, I'm just going to pop a tailgate here, actually fold flat into the floor, so when they're up you've got great storage for your shopping, so it's not falling out when you open the doors. You could fold those seats down, and these seats here in the middle, they don't have a stow and go feature, but they actually go right up against the front seat, so it's going to give you a lot of room for storage in the rear. You do have 12-volt accessory plug-ins there in the rear, in the front. Let me get you into the vehicle. So nice sliding doors. They are not power, but if you went up another level you could get them. This particular one doesn't have it, but really nice interior with armrests. That middle panel will drop down to get you cup holders, your air conditioning and your heats in the ceiling on the Kia products, not like some vans where it's just not there. You got a control switch back here for adult passengers. Here's a little show of the rear, nice and clean. And it does have the mats on the floor, so it's hardly used at the kilometers. Power windows, power door locks, auto drop window for driver's side with folding mirrors. By using this button, you can close them as you're going on the ferry or pulling in your garage. Even on the driver's side, you've got power seats, which is nice. Tilt telescopic steering and a leather steering wheel, so nice in hand. Let me just give this a start up and try to make it quiet so it doesn't have a lot of noises. Let me just turn off the fans. It's really warm out here today. Close the windows. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a great feature, and it does run the Sirius satellite with a big screen. Really important. Put it in reverse. Nice camera. It's going to show you where you're going. Tailgate was open, so you were looking at the sky. 2 glove boxes, lots of good storage. So we've got the rear and the front air conditioning. This has got exactly 18,431. See the trunk is open there. Cruise control, USBs and auxiliaries, a nice sized glove box. You can open that up and you can slide this forward and back, and then there's another 12-volt accessory plug in there. Heated seats. Not sure what else you might want for something of a van, but this is a really nice one. No smells, never been smoked in. Nice and clean. And here at West Coast Kia, we're at 19950 Lougheed Highway in Pitt Meadows, Maple Ridge. Come on down, West Coast Kia, just across the bridge in Maple Ridge. Thanks for watching the video.